use Roblox Support ticket. Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you use Roblox Support ticket. Now, this is a helpful way in order to get in touch with the support team or when you're having an issue with your account. To do it so, you want to follow the steps. Open up a browser and type in roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to direct you to the home page. And here, what you want to do is click the gear icon from the top right, and then you want to go to settings. As you go to settings, this is how it's going to look like. So here, you want to scroll down a bit and go to this section of help. You could see it right over here. Just click that, and it's going to direct you to this page. Here, you could just go ahead and click on any of these articles. I'll go with the first one, and you could just go ahead and click or just locate particular one. And once again, locate the particular and scroll down a bit, and here you have the section need more help, contact support here. Once you do it so, it's going to directly take you to this page, which is the field we're looking for. And here you need to type in your information as asked, and as per the description, you could just go ahead necessary details and click on the continue button, and they will be able to respond to you. However, if you find this method difficult, then there is also a direct way to get to the support ticket. So all you need to do is just open up a new tab. You want to type in roblox.com/support. This is going to directly take you to the page which we're looking for. So you just have to make sure to log into your account and just go ahead and enter in the field. So that is the way you could use Roblox support ticket. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.